This is the NutriBullet Pro, the nutrient extracting powerhouse. Just load your ingredients into the cup.
Often kitchen gadgets don't get used because they're a pain to clean. I'll show you how the Vitamix can clean itself. So to clean our Vitamix, we've added some soap and water. I'm just going to hit the cleaning program and press start. Okay, all I need to do now is pour this down the sink, give it a rinse under the tap, and you will see your machine is clean, ready to use again. And with the touchscreen pre-programmed settings, you get that walkaway convenience with the A3500, plus you get the same consistent, amazing blends every single time, year after year.
We gave the extraordinary new KitchenAid Diamond Blender to the top chefs from the world-renowned Institute of Culinary Education in New York City and asked them to put it to the toughest tests in their professional kitchens. Watch their reactions.
That was fast.
And that is one of the most powerful blenders I've ever worked with.
The exclusive KitchenAid Diamond Blending System with patented stainless steel blades and 60-ounce patented diamond pitcher design creates a powerful vortex, while the IntelliSpeed motor control automatically adjusts for optimal speed and power.
What I really like about the exclusive diamond blending system is it allows you to blend fresh ingredients packed full of vitamins and nutrients. So creations like this are both healthy and delicious.
Basically, we're getting perfect results with everything.
And just look at the impressive results when the chefs tested it against this professional style blender. When your blender is this good, there's so much more to make. Like gourmet crepes for breakfast, fresh salads for lunch, delicious soups for dinner, and more. Even healthy smoothies and delicious frozen drinks. Put the Ice Chef tested KitchenAid Diamond Blender to the test in your kitchen.
At COSORI, we believe that you can live life tastefully, and we believe you can do that and more with our new C700 Pro Professional Blender. Designed with a powerful 1500-watt motor, this blender cuts, crushes, and grinds nuts and produce to the perfect consistency while still retaining all of the vital nutrients in your foods. And unlike other blenders, the COSORI Professional Blender comes equipped with a variable speed control to easily whip up culinary creations. No more unnecessary button mashing. You can prepare a wide variety of foods in the 64-ounce container. Beat the summer heat with frosty treats like fruitful smoothies, creamy milkshakes, and naturally sweetened sorbets. Skip the stove when preparing warm soups for the cold season. The motor revs up to 30,000 RPM, heating up your ingredients as they blend, so that your soup is ready to serve once the blender stops running. Create healthy nut butters for you and the family to snack on, your very own spice mix to wow guests at dinner parties, and even nutrient-rich baby food for the little ones in your family. Our included recipe book is sure to help fire up your culinary creativity. Need it to go? Use the 27-ounce travel bottle so you can enjoy your fresh blends wherever your busy schedule takes you. We believe that a happy life is a healthy one, and the COSORI Professional Blender can help you live life tastefully.
This is the NutriBullet Pro, the nutrient extracting powerhouse. Just load your ingredients into the cup, attach the NutriBullet extractor blade, place it onto the power base, and in an instant, the NutriBullet Pro breaks down and opens up the stems, seeds, and skins, giving you optimum nutrition in every smoothie. Then, just give it a quick rinse and you're ready to go again in seconds. The NutriBullet Pro's powerful 900-watt motor combined with cyclonic action forces everything into the extractor blade, breaking down even the toughest ingredients, taking ordinary foods and turning them into superfoods. The NutriBullet Pro comes with the NutriBullet extractor blade, 2 colossal 32-ounce cups, and 2 flip-top to-go lids. So, whether you're looking to use nutrition to enhance your performance, give you that added boost in recovery, or just want to improve your overall health, transforming your life starts here. NutriBullet Pro.